Hi everyone. I buy a lot of grinders, as you can see, for the different ones, and I have two more on the inside. So it cost me a bit of money. So I'm gonna try and see how I can remove these lids so that I can reuse them again. I'm boiling some hot water, and I will put these little puppies in the hot water, and then we hope that it will come off. Okay, so we will keep it in there for about 2 to 3 minutes. And it looks like I don't have enough water in there. Easily comes off. I was able to take all the lids off. See, it's the same bottles. In less than a minute, it just popped off. And all these times I've just been replacing them because I couldn't get the lid off. And there is an easy way to get the lid off. Yay!